Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of AWS Mastery course. And in this particular session, we are going to learn some of the important tips or some of the important strategies, or we can say practices, by which we can actually optimize the cost of AWS services which we are actually using. Or we are going to understand like how we can reduce the cost of the services which we are actually using in terms of, or related to AWS. So now let's start the session and understand these practices. So the first we are having is right sizing resources. So the thing is, like in each and every service like which we are using, we are having the capacity of like using that service. So always go for the right sizing, means always try to adjust your instances, their size, their type. You can actually align whatever the things you're having as per your current workload or as per your requirement only. Okay, so that you can reduce the waste. Okay, so optimizing, or I can say choosing the right size or right capacity is important in order to optimize your cost. Next thing, we are having leverage reserved instances. So whenever you are having steady or consistent workload, always go for the reserved instances so that you can optimize your cost. Next, we are having use auto scaling. Okay, so let's suppose you are having a website, and in that website you are getting 10,000 the traffic of 10,000 users. Okay, so you don't know like where when you are going to get the higher traffic, but always go for auto scaling. Okay, so if you are implementing auto scaling and you're getting 1 lakh user traffic of 1 lakh user, you will pay according to that. But in the normal days you will be paying according to that 10,000 followers or 10,000 user, or whatever the user you're getting at that particular moment or at that particular period of time. Okay, so always go for auto scaling, always try to integrate auto scaling with your application or with your, I can say, services. Next, we are having optimized storage cost. So when it's come to the storage is something which actually keep on running and gives you the gives you the bills in a very fast manner. Okay, so you can use life cycle management rules in order to, I can say, optimize the cost of your storage. So if you're using life cycle policies, means if there is a change in a version, if there is anything which gets expired or anything which is not in use, so that particular thing will get deleted automatically if you're using life cycle policies. And this is how you can actually optimizing the cost of your storage. Next, we are having monitor and analyze regularly. Okay, so in the last few sessions we have understood about the cost explorers and cost budget. So whenever you are using cost explorer and you're monitoring each and every service of your AWS account and how the services are running and how much they are actually giving you the bill, so you can actually analyze each and everything and you can monitor, and you can just turn the services down and like on as per your requirement, and this is going to help you a lot in order to optimize your cost. So I hope you guys have understood the different practices and strategies in order to optimize the cost or in order to reduce the cost of your AWS services. So that's it for now. Thank you so much.